Good morning, students. In the earlier session, we have learned about the articles and its types. Today, we are going to recapitulate what we have learned. So let's get started. What are the articles? The words a, and the are called articles. Articles are the words used before nouns to refer them in a general or specific way depending upon the situation. There are two types of articles: indefinite articles, definite articles. A and N are the indefinite articles. These articles are used with singular nouns and do not point out any specific object or person. This means that indefinite articles do not refer to any particular object, subject, or thing. There are two indefinite articles, as we have mentioned, a and n. A is used before consonant sounds and n is used before the vowel sound. If a word starts with any consonant sound, for example, B, C, D, F, G, etc., then we place A in front of it. And if a word starts with the sound of a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, we place N in front of it. For example, here are a few words. The first sound which is coming in this word is S, which is S. And because S is a consonant, we will place A in front of it. The other word is elephant. The initial sound which is coming in this word is E. That's why we will place N in front of it. Same with egg. The initial sound is coming E, which is E. So we will place N in front of it. Now, you need to remember one thing, that we will always consider the sound when we are placing articles. We will only consider the sound, the initial sound of the word. Now, here are a few more examples. There is a word university. Now, what is the initial sound in this? The initial sound is coming here, which is Y as a consonant. That's why we have placed A in front of it. Now, one thing you need to check here, irrespective of the vowel placed in the starting, we have put A and not N, because as I said, we will only consider the sound and not the letter written. Same goes for union. Although the word starts with U, which is a vowel, but the initial sound is coming off Y, which is Y. And just because Y is a consonant, we have placed A with union. Next is uncle. The initial sound is coming A. Here, U is giving the sound of A, which is a vowel. That's why we will use N with it. Our next example, our next article is the. The is our definite article. Definite articles are used to refer definite or specific noun. The is used when we are representing or referring to a particular thing. For example, the moon shines in the sky. The lion is the king of the jungle. We also use the with proper nouns, with oceans, with rivers, holy books, important buildings, adjectives, superlative adjectives, deserts, mountain ranges, and certain countries. Now we are on the last segment of our chapter. There are certain instances where we do not place an article before a noun. This means there are certain situations where not any article is required. The situations are proper nouns, abstract nouns, plural countable nouns. Proper nouns, as we know, it refers to the particular place, thing, or a person. So here in this example, as we can see, no article has been placed in front of the names Jack and Jill. In abstract nouns are the nouns which you cannot sense or detect with your five senses. In a way, you cannot see them, you cannot smell them, you cannot taste, you cannot hear, or you cannot touch them. Here, in the first example, honesty is the abstract noun. And we have not placed any article in front of it. The last example is plural countable nouns. Here, children are the plural countable nouns, and we have not used any article in front of it. So the example would be, children love bedtime stories. So students, this was our recapitulation. I hope it helped you to understand the chapter in a better way. I have uploaded an assignment sheet and PDF of chapter number 4 articles on ERP. I would like you all to solve the sheet positively after watching the video. Thank you. Have a good day.